Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make an awesome intro for your YouTube videos absolutely free using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized, eye-catching YouTube intro that helps your channel stand out, and the best part is, you don't need any fancy experience or expensive software to do it. So let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. If you haven't already, make a free account. It only takes a second. Once you're in, click on Create a Design up at the top right. From the drop-down, select Video and then choose Video 16:9, which is also called Video Landscape. This video landscape format is perfect for YouTube because it matches the standard video size, so your intro will look crisp and professional right from the beginning. Now that we've got our blank canvas open, let's add a bit of personality by changing the background color. Click anywhere outside of the default text box until you see your background selected, then use the color picker at the top left to choose a color that matches your channel's vibe. If your channel has a specific color theme, now's the time to use that color code for a cohesive look. Don't worry if you're not set on a color, you can always come back and tweak this later. Next, it's time to add some text. Click on the text option on the left sidebar and add a heading. Type in your tutorial title or just the word tutorial if you're planning a general intro. Play around with the fonts. There are tons of free options in Canva. Try to pick something that's clear and easy to read but still reflects your channel's personality. Making your text pop ensures that viewers immediately know what your video is about. Now let's take it a step further and add a graphic to make the intro more dynamic. Go to the Elements tab and search for a tutorial moving graphic. You'll see various animated illustrations pop up. Pick one that fits your style, maybe a cursor clicking or some creative icons, and drag it onto your canvas. Place it near your text and resize it as needed. Adding movement like this helps capture the viewer's attention right from the start. But we're not done yet. To make everything feel more lively, let's animate both the text and the graphic. Click on your text, then hit Animate at the top. You'll see a bunch of different animation styles. Maybe you want your text to fade in smoothly, bounce, or slide in from the side. Try a few out and see what feels right. Do the same with your graphic. Animations help guide the viewer's eye and can really set the tone for your video. Don't worry if it looks a little rough at first. This can take a few tries to get just right, and you can always preview your intro to see how it flows. Now for that final professional touch, let's add your logo. Add a new page to your design. This keeps things organized and gives your intro a nice sequenced feel. Upload your logo using the Uploads tab and drag it onto the new page. Just as before, add an animation so your logo appears with a little flair. This is a great time to let your creativity shine. Maybe add a shape or background behind the logo, or play around with timing so everything feels smooth and polished. Remember, your intro is the first thing viewers see, so it's worth spending a few extra moments making sure it looks great and reflects your channel's personality. And don't be afraid to experiment. Canva has so many features that you can try out to make your intro stand out even more. Alright, that's it. You now have a custom YouTube intro made entirely for free in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to share your intro, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you create. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.